Yeah, Mommy's feet hurt.
Lotion?
But it feels better when you rub them.
Emma?
Keep going. There's plenty of lotion there.
Yeah?
Yep, plenty of lotion. Keep rubbing.
Why Kitty? What's he?
Be nice to Kitty. No, Petey doesn't want lotion. Can you put the lotion on Mommy's feet? Yeah, rub Mommy's feet. You're so sweet. Get Mama's feet. Yeah. Oh, that feels really good. That I like. Good job. Get in between Mommy's toes. You're doing good. What was that? Are you going to finish rubbing it in? Are you going to finish?
No.
You all done?
I'm wiping.
You're wiping it off?
I'm wiping it off.
Can you rub it in Mommy's legs? Oh, look, it's raining out.
Huh?
It's raining.